What's up guys, Official Vulnerable here, and I never made an updated video on the new version of Pokemon Go 0.35.0 that was released for Android. So I thought I'd make a little update video for you guys showing you a updated version of the hack running on the latest version of Pokemon Go. And it is so simple to install and use. It's working perfectly currently. And yeah, I'll just walk through some of the features with you and then show you how to install it. Now this can be installed on Android 4.4 and above. So anything older than that, really you just probably should update your phone at that point. But anyways, so just to show you guys that Pokestops do currently work. I'm gonna go ahead and spin this guy. And boom, there we go. So got all those. And just to show you guys, I am running the latest version of Pokemon Go on Android 0.35.0 right there. So we've got our joystick, of course, for joystick control. If I can actually move this over here, and our little menu up here. So what's cool about this latest version of the hack is that you can actually see nearby Pokemon to you. So if you're looking for one in particular, you can see where they are and actually navigate to it just by clicking on it. So really cool. If I go back here, you can actually set your home coordinate locations and then go back to it when you're done, teleporting. You can teleport to any area of the world using this interface right here and change your speed at which you walk or run using the joystick right there. So it works pretty good. I mean, it is Pokemon Go hack version, really nothing new about it, just the fact that it is working on the latest version of Pokemon Go. So how do you install it? I'm gonna go ahead and walk through that with you real quick. All right, so switching over to my Galaxy Note 7, never installed this before on it. I'll walk you through the entire process. So first off, you wanna uninstall your existing version of Pokemon Go. So I'm gonna remove that completely as it will interfere with the install. Next up, we're gonna go into your settings and we're going to scroll to security. So right here, we're going to go ahead and allow unknown sources for applications because we will be installing a third-party app. All right, so in your browser, you guys want to navigate to tutuapp.com. So it will all be in Chinese. You won't be able to understand anything, but that is okay. So I'm going to load this real quick. In the middle, you want to select Android over here and go ahead and download the Tutu app APK. So I need to update the permissions for Chrome. Allow, and there we go. So I'm going to go ahead and download that. And once that's downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and select open and go ahead and click on it to install the APK. And once you guys are done installing this, installing Pokemon Go, you can of course edit the permissions so it doesn't, access all of your stuff, but right now we need it to. So I'm going to go ahead and select open. Inside of here, it's a very straightforward process. We're just going to download the Pokemon Go application and that's it. All we need to do is allow one more thing in settings and we will be done. So jumping into here. All right, so go ahead and click on this big green button for Pokemon Go. And we're going to go ahead and use Chrome for that. And this is basically going to begin downloading that Pokemon Go hacked APK. So it's downloading in the background right now. All right, and just as soon as that is downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and open it and install it. And mine failed to install. I wonder why. I actually had the Pokemon Go app still here, so I have to manually go and uninstall it. Anyways, so trying again, I'm going to go ahead and install the hacked Pokemon Go version, which should install successfully here, hopefully. And there we go. All right, cool. So we're going to go ahead and open this up, and it will actually ask me to allow location. Doesn't need my contact, and yes, to the camera. So we need to click this right button right here. It'll take me to settings where I have to enable it to draw over Pokemon Go. So I need to find it right here and check that. Cool. So now we can jump back into Pokemon Go and we'll know it worked because we have this joystick right here and we have this menu even before logging in. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. I'll be right back. All right. And there you go. So by default, it spawns you in San Francisco. So you can start through here and just show you guys this does work. So I'm able to get all that good stuff. So the joystick is acting up a little bit for some reason. I don't know why. So I have to hold it. Usually I'd press on it several times, but holding it does the trick. And you guys can change the location to anywhere else in the world using this little interface right here. So if you want to go anywhere, you can do so here. Really, really cool stuff. And you can change your default location in there too, so where it'll spawn you. So this is working perfectly. And just to show you guys, this is 0.35.0. There it is. Latest version Pokemon Go hack. You guys can go ahead and enjoy this, catch any Pokemon. And remember, you guys can actually use Pokesnipers.com in order to go and find any Pokemon that you want. So I'm going to actually load this, show you what I'm talking about. So it'll actually show you refreshed spawn times of Pokemon and where they're at. It'll give you the current location. So you can go ahead and input these coordinates to the Pokemon you want into Pokemon Go, into this little feature right here, and be taken immediately to that Pokemon. All right, so I input the coordinates for an Onix, and it'll go ahead and take me there. And actually that one despawned, so I had to find another. But just like that, here is Onix for me to go ahead and capture. And I basically went right to his location using that feature. So using this hack, you guys can actually catch any Pokemon that you want and actually be able to walk around the map without having to be there actually. So super cool hack, guys. Be sure to subscribe. I will be sure to have more of these as the app is updated, and I'll have more videos for you soon. And if you guys have any video requests, do leave them down below. So enjoy the hack, guys. Have a great day. Peace.